Hello friends, welcome to the Angular form tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn form builder in Angular and how we use these form builder in Angular. So in the previous tutorial, we have learned about the form control and the form group in the Angular. So basically, when we create our form using the form control and the form group, we have to initialize all the controls. And if we use same control with the form builder, then there is no need to initialize all the controls. So that's the main benefit using form builder in the Angular 8. So basically, form builder is the alternative way of the form control in the form group in the Angular 8. So basically, as I explained, like form control, it is used to access the value of the control, or what we can say, the validate that form. Like it's basically form control we decorate upon the control level, and it used to give the value of that control. And form group is basically a collection of the form controls which is used to initialize the form group, and under this it is used to initialize the form control. But in the form builder, there is no need to initialize the forms. It automatically do all these things, and it is basically a alternative to create the form on form control in the form group. So let's understand this form builder using an example. So go to the Visual Studio Code, and in the Visual Studio Code, in the previous tutorial, we have learned we have created a one student registration form. So if you didn't watch that tutorial, I recommended you please go to this tutorial series and see the part 4 and 5 before proceeding with this tutorial. So let's save it first and see what we have implemented in our last tutorial. So here we created one user registration form, and here it has some field like name, age, password, and city and state. And we have seen here this student city and the student state is the nested group. Like we have taken all these two control as a nested, means under the address. So in the last tutorial, we have seen how to handle this nested form group in the Angular 8. Like we have to initialize under, like this address is the under the registration form, so we have taken this address under the registration form and we have initialized like this. But in this tutorial, we will create these control using the form builder. So first let's comment this thing. So for commenting, like control case C, save it. And now first of all, we have to import the form builder from the form library, and then create a one constructor, and in this constructor take a one private variable, and I will take control, and the type of this variable is the form builder. And now we have to take all the controls, like value we have to take. So this is the form group, and I'm going to assign all the value in this form group. So this registration form equal to this dot control dot group, and inside this we will assign the value and the curly braces. And here we will take all the control. Here you will see whenever we will use the control, it automatically tell us, like if I write name, see it automatically came and assign. Here for assigning the value, we have to use the square brackets. So like this, and we can give any default value to this as well. Like we can give the default value for the form control, we can give the value using the form builder as well, comma, then age, then password, after this confirm password, and after this we have taken the address, and that address is the nested group actually. So for that address, and we have to take this first dot control dot group, and inside this we have to take city and then state. So basically that is all about the form builder. Like we can see here in the form builder, when we use form builder and form group, we have to initialize the form group as well as this form control. Like we have to initialize all these control, but with using the form builder we can see we didn't initialize it, automatically initialize all these control. We are directly only assigning the value. So let's save it and see on the browser now. So we can see like it is showing all the control. So go here, save it as well. So we can see all the control it is showing here as we have shown. Now we will take like we can see it is a registration form JSON. Now what we will do, we will assign means if we will assign any value to this, it should reflect to this registration form dot value. So currently this JSON is not showing here. Let's see what is the problem. So basically here we didn't take this name. Actually this name should match, and this is the form group name. We can see it here. Like this name should match with this. So let's change it. Now save it and see on the browser. So we can see on the browser it is showing the JSON file. Now let's change the name like Munesh. So it is reflecting down. We can see like it updated. I am saying like 28, password 123, and here 123. City we can give Delhi, and state like Rajasthan. So we can see all value it is showing here. So this is the way of using the form builder in the Angular 8, and this form builder is more better than the form control in the form group, because here no need to initialize all the control. So in the coming Angular form we will continue with the form builder only. So if you have any doubt regarding this, please comment. Thank you.